Hi, I'm John, Product Commercialisation Manager here at Dewalt, and today I'm going to introduce the new Dewalt 18V XR framing nailer. This tool is generally used for first fix applications like the installation of wooden studs, joists and roof trusses. In 2013, we revolutionised the market when we launched the world's first cordless mechanical first fix nailer, which removed the challenges associated with cordless gas systems or pneumatic airlines. The new Dewalt DCN930 nailer steps up the power from the previous unit, which improves the firing consistency, especially when driving longer nails into framing timber materials. The capacity is still 50mm to 90mm, but the more powerful motor and durable drive system with double the life of the driver blade means we fire all compatible nail types consistently all the time. We also have a greater range of depth settings, increasing from 8mm to 12mm, giving the user more control on the depth of the nail dependent upon the nail length and the material being fastened. Meanwhile, we have still managed to keep its compact length, allowing easy access in between 400mm stud and joist centres. The nailer is also 20% faster than the previous generation. The motor gets up to full speed quicker, allowing the user to fire more nails more quickly, getting the job done in less time. There are also several other updated features to improve the user experience. A metal rafter hook being one, which was much preferred in our research over the old design. A dedicated belt clip is also supplied, which can fit on either side of the unit for left or right-handed use and allows for an ergonomic placement of the nailer on the tool belt. A new angled contact trip allows improved nail placement into tight corners and better contact for skew nailing. We also have an improved magnesium magazine, which is lighter in weight but very strong and is an upgrade from plastic on the previous generation. The nail loading system is also much easier. Simply insert the nails, pull the pusher over rather than having to lock back first. Also available as an attachment is a longer magazine, which will hold up to 95 nails, which means 2 standard strips of nails at a time rather than just one. Dewalt Carpentry Total Solutions. We get you, we got you.